Hey everyone, Mike Reeder here again at 555 with my team member, Samantha Betley.
We're here to give you another update on our transformation to the 555 building before part of our team moves in at the end of the month.
Want to take another look?
Let's go!
In just a few short weeks, our vision has really began to come to life. The space is starting to feel more like home, and we're beginning to see the results of our hard work and collaboration with some amazing partners.
Every step of the way, we're focused on creating a space that allows us to elevate our capabilities. These include greater electrical and air distribution, enhanced lighting, and new HVAC for our climate-controlled facility. This is going to really help set the stage for the next chapter at Reeder Precision Solutions. We're building this not just for today, but for the future of precision machining and advanced manufacturing in southeast Wisconsin.
With all of the progress being made, you can imagine how eager our two teams are to move into this new state-of-the-art facility operating under one roof called RPS at the end of 2024.